guys! Welcome back to my screen. For today's video ay magre-loan tayo or mag-apply tayo ng loan kay Tala. So this is an update for this year 2023. So open natin ang application and sabi dito na apply now. So tap lang natin yung apply now and then magpo-proceed tayo sa mga ilang katanungan lang mga kaibigan. Okay? So sabi dito, how can we help? So what would you like to use your loan? So either business or expense or business expense or personal expense. So for me is business expense. And then save and submit. And of course, next question is tell us about yourself. So basically, answeran lang natin yung mga question nila like do you have outstanding debt? Syempre no. And yung income natin. And then yung kung kailan tayo mag-i-income. Ayan. And how would you like to describe experience? Optional. So for me, hindi na ako naglalagay kasi nung mga past na loan is naglalagay naman ako. And then save and continue lang. Alright? And then next step is yan, advisory ni Tala na pwede lang tayo makapag-withdraw or pwede nating ma-receive ang loan within 24 hours pag weekends or weekdays, and pag weekends, automatically Monday na po ang releasing. Alright? And then yan, congratulations, sabi nito na nakapag-loan na tayo or meron tayong credit limit of 6,500 pesos. So, pwede nating adjust yan. Pwede tayong mag-loan ng 4K, ganyan. So, ang maximum lang is 6,500. And then, kung magkano ang ating i-loan, kunyari 6,500, continue lang. And then, makikita natin dito kung magkano ang repayment natin. So, pwede nating adjust kung ilang days natin babayaran. And this will be paid up to 61 days. Alright? So, makikita nyo naman, pag 61 days, ay medyo malaki-laki ang babayaran. Okay? Pwede naman tayong magbayad before ng ating due date. Pero mas mababa din ang babayaran pag mas maagang babayaran ang ating loan. Pero pag mas matagal, automatically, mas lalaking ating babayaran. Okay? Next is, pag ine-next na natin is yan yung loan summary po natin. So as you can see guys, na yung loan amount is 6,500. Selected due date is March 14, so that is 30 days. And then service fee 13% and 13.49%, that is 877, and due date is 7/5. Okay? So ito na ang aking sinasabi kanina. Service fee, a daily rate of 0.50% is applied to 6,500 loan. So every day po nagdadagdag po yan. So kung meron po tayong pambayad as early, mas maganda and mas okay yung ating babayarin. And then after nun, pag okay na, and then tap natin yung agree and then send. So, mag-next po siya sa cash option. So, sa cash option guys, pwede tayong mag-withdraw through Cebuana, bank transfer, Coin PH, and Palawan Express. Ayan guys. So, yun guys, and after natin i-select, syempre, yung kung ano ang mean of withdraw natin. So, for me, ang napili ko is yung BDO na magpo-proceed kasi mas maganda po ang BDO or sa bank transfer kasi mas maliit yung bawas kasi may mga transaction fee ganyan guys. So, select natin yung BDO. Ayan. So, pag na-select natin yung bank account or bank na mode of withdraw natin is or receive natin is mag-siya ng bank account number. Okay? So ilalagay natin siya and then of course may service fee siyang 25%. So magbabawas siya ng 25 or 25 pesos, magbabawas siya ng 25 pesos sa ating ilo-loan. Okay? So nagiging 6,475 na siya guys. Okay? If okay na, syempre select natin yung claim the loan and then may makikita tayo dito na your loan is sending to your BDO and estimated is tomorrow 6 p.m. kasi bali 24 hours siya guys. And yun yung sinasabi ko pag Saturday, Sunday and they will send the loan the next weekdays na. So bali Monday ganun guys. Alright, so that's it my video for today. And sa mga tinatanong nila guys is onti na lang. Hindi kagaya sa past na ang dami-dami nilang tinatanong. Ang daming kailangang sagutin before tayo makapag-push through ng loan. Pero ngayon, onti na lang. And just to inform na ang Tala po guys is nangangailangan lang ng 1 ID and 3 na contact person. And pwede ka pang mag-earn or magiging mataas ang credit limit mo pag marami kang i-invite na friends. So, meron dun sa baba na may invite friends para in every invites ay magkakaroon ka ng 10 pesos na, or 200 pesos na additional sa inyong credit or yun po guys.